Let's talk about the hardest part of becoming a real estate agent, getting your first closing. Because here's the truth. Most agents don't fail because they can't do the job. They fail because they never get past that first deal. So today I'm going to break down exactly how to cross the hurdle and the biggest mistakes I see agents make that keep them stuck. Hi, I'm Erica Hagman with Remax Momentum. I've been in real estate for over 25 years and I've coached agents for nearly 2 decades. And I can tell you there is a very clear difference between the agents who get the first closing quickly and the ones who struggle for months or even years. Here's the reality. No one tells you you don't have confidence yet, you don't have experience yet, and most importantly, you don't have momentum yet. Real estate is a momentum business. Once you close one deal, it does get easier, but until then, it feels like pushing a boulder uphill. That's a normal feeling, but you have to push anyway. Let me simplify this for you. There are 3 new ways agents get their first deal. The first one is your sphere, people who already know you, your friends, families, neighbors, social media. This is your lowest hanging fruit. But here's the mistake agents hit. Instead of ask for the business, you need to say, I'm in real estate now. Who do you know that's thinking about buying or selling? Be direct. Open houses. This is a hands down one of the fastest ways to get your first deal. Why? Because you're meeting people who are already looking, but don't just sit there. Follow up immediately. Have conversations. Ask questions like a professional, not a door greeter, and have a plan for marketing your open house. Lead generation. This is a daily non-negotiable. If you want to get paid, you need to talk to people every single day. Calls, texts, conversations, whoever it is. No conversations equals no closings. It's as simple as that. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes new agents make and what is actually holding most agents back. Mistake number 1 is waiting until you feel ready. The truth is, you never feel ready. Confidence comes from doing, not waiting. Mistake number 2, treating it like a job. You cannot dabble in real estate and expect full-time income. This is a daily business, not a do it when you feel like it business. Mistake number 3 is avoiding conversations. This is a big one. Agents sometimes waste time on clerical tasks like making logos, posting on social media, designing business cards, recreating the wheel, instead of doing the one thing that matters, which is talking to people. If you are not having conversations, are you really working? Mistake number 4, this is a big one, is overthinking. Overthinking everything you do. Don't overanalyze your scripts. What to say, what to mail. Sometimes done is better than perfect. While you're overthinking, another agent may be picking up that phone and winning the deal. Mistake number 5 is not following up. Most deals are in the follow-up, not that first conversation. If you are not consistently following up, you are leaving business on the table. Go for no. Keep calling. Mistake number 6 is not setting up marketing systems. This one is big and why agents stay stuck way longer than they should. If you do not have systems in place, you are starting from zero every single day. You need a way to stay in front of your database, a follow-up system with touch points, and more than one marketing system, because the agent who stays top of mind this, just because people know you doesn't mean they are going to use you. You need to remind them what you do. Show them your value, give them value, stay in front of them consistently. Out of sight equals out of mind. If you want your first closing, you need to shift from hoping this works to this is going to work. This is not a luck-based business. It is a consistency-based business. If you are a new agent and you are stuck trying to get your first deal, here are your action steps. Talk to at least 5 people a day about real estate. Hold as many open houses as you can, even on the weeknights. Set up your system so you can stay in front of people consistently and follow up like your business depends on it, because it actually does. If you want more videos on how to actually build a successful real estate career, Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow along. Feel free to reach out to me anytime for coaching, help, training, anything you need. You can reach me at 303-903-1240 or Erica H at remax.net. That's ERICA, the letter H at REMAX.net. Thank you for joining me. Hope you have a great rest of your week.